Greetings, I am your host, an aficionado of both the digital realm and the rich tapestry of cultures that our world offers. In a world where technology and culture often seem poles apart, we often forget how they are interconnected. We overlook how the past influences the present and future, how the traditions of yesteryears impact the innovations of today. As we navigate this conversation today, I implore you to open your minds and hearts to the possibilities of such a confluence, the underexplored and yet significant impact of cultural influences on the world of technology. Specifically, we'll delve into the fascinating interactions between African culture and computer science, a realm that thrives on logic, precision, and algorithms. African culture, in all its richness and depth, has been a beacon of inspiration across various fields. From art and music to literature and fashion, the influence of African traditions is evident and celebrated. But how does this vibrant culture impact a field as ostensibly distinct as computer science? A realm that thrives on abstract concepts, logic, and a structured approach that seems far removed from the creative fluidity of cultural expression. That, dear listeners, is the crux of our discourse today. In the heart of Africa, across its diverse tribes and communities, runs a unifying thread, a deep sense of community and shared knowledge, a wisdom that is passed from generation to generation, a wisdom that is imbibed and nurtured. This wisdom can be seen as an embodiment of algorithms. Yes, that's right. The very core principle of computer science finds its roots in this wisdom. Algorithms, akin to these cultural wisdoms, are a set of rules to be followed in calculations, problem-solving operations. African societies, with their communal wisdom, have been practicing algorithms, in essence, long before the term was coined. This shared wisdom, passed down generations, is akin to the procedural programming that runs our digital world today. Moreover, the African concept of Ubuntu, meaning "I am because we are," echoes the principles of distributed systems, where individual computers work together to achieve a common goal. Just as a community works in harmony for the common good, a distributed system's computers collaborate to perform tasks efficiently. It's this unique amalgamation of tradition and technology that brings us here today. A fusion that transcends boundaries, challenges paradigms, and brings forth a new perspective in our understanding of technology and culture. It's a journey that intertwines the threads of African traditions and the world of algorithms and data structures. Yes, you heard right. We are about to embark on a journey that intertwines the threads of African traditions and the world of algorithms and data structures. African oral traditions, rich in storytelling and mnemonic techniques, offer a treasure trove of inspiration for the digital world. For centuries, these traditions have been the backbone of African societies, bridging the generational gap and instilling a sense of identity, moral values, and cultural continuity among its people. They encapsulate the wisdom of the ancestors, the essence of their experiences, their hopes, and their dreams. This rich tradition is not merely about telling stories, it is a sophisticated form of education designed to stimulate the imagination and challenge the intellect. Picture a quaint African village enveloped by the charm of a setting sun, where age-old trees stand tall as silent spectators of time. As the day surrenders to the quiet of the night, the embers of the fire dance to the rhythm of the wilderness, casting a warm glow on the faces of the community gathered. The villagers, young and old, huddle together, their attention rapt, anticipation twinkling in their eyes. The air is charged with excitement, brimming with reverence for the occasion. At the center of this congregation is the elder, the venerated custodian of wisdom. The elder, clad in colorful traditional attire, begins to narrate tales born from the heart of their collective history. These stories are not simple tales spun for amusement. They are vessels of knowledge, of history, of morals and ethics, entrusted to the elder by the generation before. They are the threads that weave the rich tapestry of their heritage and collective identity. Each story is a pearl in the string-shared wisdom, carefully crafted and polished over time. With the elder's words echoing in the night, the audience imbibes each lesson, each insight. The stories, akin to the twinkling stars in the vast African sky, serve as guiding lights, full of wisdom and teachings passed down generations. This intricate sharing of knowledge, a decentralized approach, reflects the principles of modern technology. In fact, this approach bears striking resemblance to the principles of distributed data systems in computer science. By decentralizing knowledge and distributing it among many, resilience and adaptability are fostered. The stories like data packets are replicated, ensuring that no single point of failure can obliterate this precious wealth of knowledge. Just as the African oral tradition has stood the test of time, these distributed systems are resilient, adaptable, and designed to endure. The African concept of time, cyclical and fluid, also holds valuable insights. This notion encourages us to envision algorithms that adapt to recurrent patterns and changing conditions, enhancing efficiency and performance. And let's not forget the African principles of community and collaborative problem solving. The collective approach to tackling challenges, the emphasis on interdependence and harmony, these principles can inspire the creation of software tools that foster collaboration and mutual support. The consensus-building decision-making processes prevalent in many African cultures can guide the development of systems that facilitate collective decision-making and shared ownership of solutions. Another aspect of African culture that can influence computer science is the rich visual language of African art. The intuitive symbolic representations found in these art forms can inspire user interfaces that are not only easy to navigate but also culturally representative and inclusive. The organic forms and patterns, the emotive qualities, all can foster a deeper sense of connectivity and engagement with users. African problem solving also embraces holistic thinking, considering issues from a comprehensive, systems-level view. This approach can guide the development of software systems and AI models that consider the broader context and interconnected nature of problems. As we conclude this exploration, let's reflect on the immense potential of integrating the richness of African culture into computer science. This integration can unlock new possibilities for innovation, inclusivity, and ethical problem solving. The future of computer science, to truly reflect the diverse human experience, needs to continue exploring and integrating these valuable insights. So, in the grand scheme of things, the convergence of African culture and computer science is not so unusual after all. It's a testament to the universal applicability of cultural wisdom and a testament to the power of diversity in shaping the future of technology.